Okay, we're gonna do for exercise 2 protein multiple sequence alignment. You copy one of accession number, then you go to NCBI, you paste the accession number, slash. Then we click the FASTA. We copy the FASTA, then we put in the notepad. Okay. Then after we finish copy to the notepad, you go to the bio edit, you open it, L2 itu exercise 2, you select accessory application, cluster W multiple alignment, then run cluster leveling. Click OK, then you get the sequence for the exercise 2. That's all.